Hello and welcome to Football Dose. We are back with another episode of Transfer Frenzy, a series where we analyze football teams, isolate problem areas, and pinpoint transfer suggestions. Today's club is Everton. So, without further ado, let's begin. The Toffees shocked the footballing world with the signing of high-profile Italian coach Carlo Ancelotti on 21st of December 2019. An experienced campaigner with 15 major titles with the likes of AC Milan, Juventus, Real Madrid, Chelsea, PSG and Bayern Munich. The appointment will serve them well in terms of future years, but it came too little too late to have any impact on the ongoing 2019 campaign. And Everton finished 12th in the league with a goal difference of -12, showcasing a complete lack of creativity and structure in the team's general play. Ancelotti surely is a world-class coach who can turn the blue half of Merseyside into giant killers, but for that to happen, he needs acquisitions. More importantly, sensible acquisitions. Following the same trajectory, we analyzed the current starting 11, specified the weak links, and came up with the conclusion that the Toffees do need to invest in a centre back, a striker, and a creative midfielder for achieving any European aspirations for next season. For the defensive purchase, Everton needs someone who is commanding and can fit into Ancelotti's progressive playing style. Defenders like Keane, Mason Holgate, and Yerry Mina need a defensive leader to maintain the defensive shape throughout the match. In a hypothetical sense, players like Brighton's Lewis Dunk or Ibrahim Konate from RB Leipzig make complete sense, but our pick is a more realistic one, and that is Martin Hinteregger from Frankfurt. The 27-year-old Austrian centre-back plays as a defensive leader in the heart of Bundesliga. Ancelotti prefers a flexible 4-4-2 system with emphasis on high zonal pressing, and an experienced campaigner like Hinteregger with an all-round versatile game will be the most suitable criteria to filter for options. Hinteregger ticks the most boxes in this regard. The defender's ability to scan the defensive lines and neutralize counter-attacks will resonate with Ancelotti's desired playing approach. Yerry Mina, along with Martin Hinteregger, is the perfect pairing for Everton next season and can provide a learning scenario for young Mason Holgate. The accomplished progressive centre-back is at the perfect age to provide peak years to the buying club. Statistically, he has been excellent in a fairly average Eintracht Frankfurt side. In 44 appearances, the Austrian managed 2.2 tackles along with 1.2 interceptions per 90. The defender is also a progressive passer with an average of 4 long balls played per match. But the cherry on the icing on the cake is his offensive contribution of 9 goals and 1 assist last season. In a 4-4-2 pressing-based system, Ancelotti can operate in a more systematic manner with players like Sergio Ramos leading the back line. And for that reason, Martin Hinteregger can be the perfect investment of $20 million this summer. Moving on to the midfield recruitment. One key point needs to be considered. In Ancelotti's high-pressing team play, the creative midfielder needs to possess the ability to progress to the striking spot to finish chances when Richarlison or Dominic Calvert-Lewin switch to wider positions. Gylfi Sigurdsson doesn't quite fit the profile and will be phased out eventually from the starting 11 and then Everton Football Club. Bernat is a visionary passer but remains largely inconsistent when it comes to finishing. Players like Luis Alberto from Lazio and James Maddison from Leicester are all favourable options but unlikely to move this summer. Our choice, however, is James Rodriguez from Real Madrid. The Colombian is still only 29 and is out of favour at Zidane's Galacticos. Wage demands might be a problem, but considering the quality, it becomes irrelevant. Rodriguez has the ability to open up defences with a cutting through ball or a quick 1-2 with the available options or advancing fullbacks. On top of that, his propensity to aid counter-attacks and read the striker's off-the-ball movement is second to none. Everton possess pace in the side in the form of Richarlison, Bernat or Calvert-Lewin, but the addition of a proper experienced creative outlet is compulsory to utilize it to the fullest. James provides the X-factor in a fairly average creative midfield and will be the perfect pivot in transitional play. The move can be realized under 30 million and will be beneficial on and off the pitch drastically. Although Dominic Calvert-Lewin and Richarlison contributed 26 goals to Everton's campaign last term, there is still a lack of a flexible attacker who can play as a wide man or a striker if the need arises. Moise Kean from Juventus and Cenk Tosun both failed miserably and can be termed as utter flops. For this dilemma, preference should be given to experience and consistency over potential and growth. Offensive players like Marcel Sabitzer from RB Leipzig or David Neres from Ajax can both do the required task, but our choice aligns with the current need, and that is Domenico Berardi from Sassuolo. Berardi plays as a right-sided attacker for Sassuolo in the Italian league, in a rather attackingly direct system. Considering the low attacking output and inconsistent displays of the Italian club, Berardi's attacking numbers are positively shocking. In 251 appearances for the club, he has secured a total of 83 goals and 54 assists in all competitions. Berardi's attacking approach is effective for the current Everton setup, as the forward likes to cut inside from the wide positions and works the byline and targets the central defensive block by bringing midfielders into play either by through balls or diagonal passes. Long range shooting matched with positional adaptability makes Berardi a perfect option for a number of different teams looking for an attacking recruitment. An average match rating of 7.45 last season is better than everyone in the current Everton squad. With that being said, this is our ideal 11 for Everton next season.